بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So in IPv6, we have three types of addresses. Like we have something called unicast addresses, like we have seen unicast, which we can assign to any device. We have multicast addresses, which starts with FF. Again, in unicast, we have unique local address. The unique local addresses, which has something like FC00/7, and link local. Sorry, unique local is global unique address. Unique local addresses are private addresses, whereas global unicast addresses are like public, which starts with 2, like we have seen that in the IPv6 addressing concepts. And apart from this, we also have another address called anycast address. Anycast stands for same as multicast. It sends to anyone nearest. Like normally, let's take an example. Just like if you take an example, you are accessing a Yahoo server on the internet. Now you do have a multiple Yahoo servers on the internet. So it's not like one single Yahoo server. So basically what they do is you have multiple Yahoo servers, and these all Yahoo servers will be identified with one group address generally. Let's say the 5111, but individually they will have their own addresses, maybe private, maybe public, depends upon where they are hosted. So they do have their own individual addresses. So when a user requests for, let's say, www.yahoo.com, which means it is going to identify this group. So who are in this group? Identify this group, and which means it's not being sent to everyone. So probably it is going to send out to the nearest Yahoo server. So we call this kind of communication as anycast. Anycast means sending your request to the nearest address. So generally in the IPv4, we generally have this range. Anycast address can be used. Even the same thing with IPv6 also. In IPv6 also we can use any normal address as an anycast address, where the request is sent to the nearest possible server. Let's say I'm sitting in India here, let's say in Hyderabad, and maybe I have a nearest server, maybe in Mumbai, probably, and one in Dubai, let's say. And your request will go to the Mumbai server because that is the nearest to me. Okay, if this server is not reachable or not working or busy, probably your request may go to the next nearest, but the request will go to anyone to the nearest server. And that is what this anycast is going to tell. So anycast means nearest one. So what is that? Anycast address.